Om Namo Narayanaaya. Om Namo Narayanaaya.
Is it possible to elaborate a little bit more on those 5 parts of Sri Vaishnava's day? Is that possible?
Yeah, it should be possible. in spite of your job, which demands your time.
Yes, because those who have to go to work, like I'm waiting at a coal station, train station at the moment,
Right.
And all the trains are cancelled due to strikes. But anyway,
Okay.
you can't do Ijat between 11 to 12.
Yeah.
But it's just interesting to hear how usually
Manasika Puja. You can do it as Manasika Puja. Before actual Ijja, what do we do is Manasika Aradhana we do. We are not at home. As you said, you are waiting at a station where the train is not expected to arrive.
Yes. So you're saying between 11 and 12, we can do a full puja in a manasika way.
Yeah, I am wondering a piquant situation in which you are placed. Okay.
Yes.
So Manasika Aradhana we do. And even as small example will be travel in flight, car, train, bus, or whatever it is. We use that. At that time we have to do some anushthanam, manasika anushthanam.
Yes.
Because we don't get good water, pure water we don't get. There are so many other difficulties. Our dress code is not there. We wear footwear.
Yeah, nice. I just, obviously I do my puja before I leave. Anyway.
Right. That's right.
My aradhana before I leave. But it's just nice to hear more elaboration and what the traditional, of course, Keshava Swami always educates us, but like hearing also from you, what the traditional thing is that between 11 to 12, that's when the aradhanam actually takes place. So that's why you take lunch after that.
Right.
So coming to the end of the class, you spoke about, waking up and preparing the items for puja and stuff like that. And you said that cooking or preparing the naivedyam is also part of that. So should this be done before Sandhya Vandanam or after Sandhya Vandanam?
After Sandhya Vandanam.
Okay. Because locally
only in a special case of this month coming month, Dhanur Masa, only one item you are preparing to offer to God, and therefore that can be prepared before Sandhya.
Okay. Because locally in this country we were taught that you don't cook before performing Sandhya.
Right.
Yeah.
Generally, but this month is an exception.
Okay. Thank you again for your wonderful class.
Om Namo